Something some malo.
You know what I'm saying?
Scam.
You know what I'm saying?
What? Where? How long have I got? Put me back in.
Okay.